Alright, I'm going to try and go quicker this time. This is part 2, graphics without Photoshop. Check it out. This is a secret hack to get the black background. Click duplicate. Now click position and 2 back. Now click position and hit 2 back. Now go to text color and go to black. Okay, now I got the black background. You see? Look at that. I did the same thing there. Now we got to add this box and the arrow. How do we do that? Easy. Go to elements, shapes, and click this square right here. Size it to the size you want. Move it where you want. Change the color to white for this example. Duplicate this text. Move it here. Change it to black. Type what you want. Move it. Now we're missing the arrow. How do we do that? Simple. You go to elements again, type in arrow, and hit enter. You got tons of arrows, so let's just pick one. These are the kinds I like, so we'll just click it, size it, and then color it by going up here again. There you go. It does look a little different because it's a different picture of me, but make sure to subscribe, comment, and share for more.